If you're weirdly passionate about cleaning products that actually make life easier, this broom and dustpan set have a couple of features that I immediately noticed. This was provided to me so I could try it out and show it to you. And first off, this was so easy to put together. Everything just twists together super quickly, and I had it ready to go within minutes. And also the good thing about this is that if you want to take it down and put it away, you can do that too in just seconds. One thing I liked about this right away is the long handle, because you can stand upright while sweeping instead of constantly bending over. And the handle is also adjustable too, so you can make this taller or shorter depending on your height. And I'm 5'10", and you bet I have it at the tallest length. The dustpan also sits really flat against the floor, which honestly makes a huge difference because the dirt and the crumbs actually go into the pan instead of getting stuck underneath the edge. And to be honest, one of the best things on here is the built-in comb teeth on the dustpan. It's really useful for pulling hair and dust off the broom without having to touch everything with your hands, which is gross. The broom bristles also feel firm enough to actually pick things up well, but still flexible enough to sweep corners and edges easily. But overall, the whole setup feels sturdier in person than some of those super flimsy lightweight broom sets. This just feels like one of those practical household upgrades that make everyday cleaning a little less annoying. Overall, you have to check this out and let me know what you think.